Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Now we will analyze Bank Nifty and see the levels that we can trade on Monday's session, that is on 28th of December. In today's session you saw how when the trend line was broken there was a lot of interest from buyers, though the volume expansion was not there, maybe because of it was touching the this breakout region, which Bank Nifty has been trying since last five, not in last 2 weeks. As you can see here, cluster of small size candle, which is nothing but consolidation. If we go to hourly chart, you can see that there was a case of higher highs and higher lows, and at this particular level around 30,500 you saw a lot of selling pressure, hence price could not move further. If we go to even lower time frame, specifically 15-minute chart, and see the level that we can trade, we are not going to buy unless Bank Nifty goes above the level of 30,550, that is higher of this particular level, and the target should be this one, 30,750. I know it's a quite a far-fetched target, but it looks realistic looking at the level on the left hand side. I cannot find any other level, or if you want to go conservative, you can close out your position at the opening of this higher bullish candle, which is equal to 30,598. Talking about selling, I do not see any selling materializing until Bank Nifty goes below 30,288, and you can close out your position at 30,050. Let's move to Nifty 50 and analyze it on a daily chart. As you can see, Nifty 50 is bang on the breakout zone. As we were talking about the breaking of trend line and buyers coming in, though the volumes have not expanded, which means that it is highly unlikely that you are going to see a huge bullish candle in Monday's session. There might be consolidation in form of small size bullish candle, and price will show uh, that's signs of not going down but consolidating around that level, which is also a breakout level. If we go here, so we are not going to buy Nifty 50 unless it breaks the high of this bullish candle, which is equal to 13,775. If in early part of the session, if it goes above that, we are going to buy, and the target should be 30,800. And after that, depending upon the kind of momentum in 5-minute chart, we can set even a higher target. But realistically speaking, if you want to sell in Nifty 50, this particular level around 30,700 should be a decent level. The target should be 13,650, and I can see Nifty 50 going for higher level after finding support at around 13,650. But this is only if you see a candle developing with a more regularity and the size of the candle increases along with volumes on the support level, unless and until you do not need to sell, because it can retrace and go for higher level. So this can also be a level to buy. But as we see in Nifty 50, the average range of the session is not more than probably maybe 100 points. Let me see. It is not more than 13,006 to 7 to 7. It is not more than maybe 150 points. So that's what we have to keep in mind. If any movement goes, if for example, if it gaps up, gaps down here, which is highly unlikely, but I only see bullish momentum continuing in Monday's session. Maybe not the breakout that we are looking for, but maybe at lower level buyers coming in and pushing the price up till the breakout zone. Now we will see four stocks for Monday's session. First stock we have is Aurobindo Pharma. If you look at the daily chart, you can spot there is a breakout level just above 924, and also a strong support has been developed around 9 896 to 900. If you go to hourly chart, here what we can see that in price in Monday session may not break the breakout zone which is above 923, but what can happen is that you will see a bullish momentum and price will close out at breakout zone, which means that there is a consolidation going on here, and in further session, maybe in Tuesday's session, we see a huge breakout and price will reach or challenge the high, which is equal to around 967 to 968. If we go to 15-minute chart and see the price action in today's session, as you can see, there was an extreme bullish momentum. Price was continuously making higher highs with every passing minute, which means that in Monday's session, this particular momentum is going to be helpful for people who, for trader who want to buy, and subsequently we might see a decent bullish momentum. So we are going to buy if Aurobindo Pharma breaks the level of 912, and our target should be on a conservative basis, it should be 922. That's our highest target, and if the breakout happens, then we are going to see the levels of 950 or even 966 as well. Second stock that we have for Monday's session is Cummins India. So if you look at the daily chart carefully, you can spot a lot of long wick candle at the level of 575. And as you can see, volume has been diminishing as well, which means that more and more market participants, specifically sellers, are not showing interest here. If you go to lower time frame, you can see the case of lower lows and lower highs, but this long wick candles is concerning me that this particular pattern of lower lows and lower high might get challenged and we might see a retracement. If you go to 15-minute chart, similar kind situation you can see. So in Monday's session, we are going to buy on retracement that is above 576, and our target should be high of this candle, which is around 590 or so. The third stock we have is Chola Mandalam. On a daily chart, just pay attention to number of long wick candle here. Let me draw it. So this is one, two, three, which is showing that this is a strong supply zone, and here sellers are getting activated. Also see the volume have been decreasing, which means that there is a less interest from sellers with decreasing volumes and long wick candles on the supply zone. We can conclude that there is a extreme pressure from sellers. If we go to hourly chart, the similar kind of pattern you see. So in Monday's session, what we can do is that we can sell Chola Mandalam below the market price of 375, and I can foresee Chola Mandalam coming as low as maybe 365 as well. Fourth and final stock we have is Cadila Healthcare. On a daily chart, after a bit of consolidation and fight between buyers and sellers at the level of 480, you saw this level getting breached in in today's session, and the current market price stands at 490. Volume have also been increased. So in Monday's session, if we go to hourly chart and dissect the price, so this is a support level 478. This is another support level at 484. So in Monday's session, if price goes above 492, I can foresee Kadila going as high as the this level. As you can see, there are long wick candle here, which means that there is a supply zone and which can which can stop the bullish momentum, and the zone is around 510, 500 or 510 around that. So there could be a decent momentum in Monday's session in Kadila. Though I'm going to give you conservative target, but I have explained you what all possible levels are there in the aforementioned stocks. So these are the levels which I have given. They are conservative. At the same time, they are a bit ambitious as well. But if you have understood how price takes a support or there is supply zone coming above the price, then you can set your target accordingly as well. So, as I always say, take position into two of these stocks as per your capital, and as it becomes easy for you to track the price and also trail your stop loss. Keep keep the habit of trailing your stop loss consistently, as it will increase your profit. I have been saying this every single time in my videos because I want you all to become more profitable and earn that extra 1% or maybe 0.5%, which can make a lot of difference uh, to the net amount that you are going to take home at the end of the month. Thank you for watching.